The biggest challenge in entrepreneurship isn't coming up with ideas, it's finding the time to execute them. As a solo founder, I always felt like there weren't enough hours in the day. One minute I was researching products, and the next I was looking for suppliers, comparing quotes, sending emails, and following up with factories. The opportunities were there, but the execution was overwhelming. That's why I started using Accio Work. When I find a product I want to source, I usually upload a product image or paste a product link. Accio Work helps match me with supplier options and organizes the key sourcing info in one place. Instead of opening dozens of tabs and manually comparing factories, I can quickly review supplier options, pricing, MOQ requirements, and other key sourcing information. But what really saves me time is the supplier outreach process. If you've ever sourced products before, you know that writing inquiry emails can be incredibly repetitive. You have to explain your requirements, ask about pricing, MOQ, production timelines, and shipping details. Then repeat the same conversation with multiple suppliers. Accio Work automates much of that process. It generates professional inquiry emails based on the product I'm sourcing and helps me reach multiple suppliers through Gmail much faster. Instead of spending hours writing and sending emails, I can focus on reviewing quotes and making decisions. The result isn't just saving time. It's being able to evaluate more opportunities, connect with more suppliers, and move faster than I could on my own. For me, that's where AI creates the most value. Not by replacing entrepreneurs, but by helping them execute faster. If you'd like to learn more about Accio Work, I've left a link in the description below. And if you enjoy content about AI, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.